We are in Kiryat Ekron. This is a community that Bridges for Peace has supported for over 10 years. One of our Feed a Child schools are here. We have a wonderful relationship with Hovav, the mayor. And then when October 7th happened, till now, there's been over 10,000 rockets, missiles fired from Gaza into Israel. Over 1,400 people murdered on that day, 242 taken hostage into Gaza, thousands injured. But now the entire nation is a target because these rockets can reach all over. Millions of Israelis are under threat. So Bridges for Peace, we've stepped in the gap.
We're not standing behind you, we are with you. And we will even stand in front of you if we have to.
In the first couple of days, I think 72 hours after October 7th, we got on the call with Hovav, Moti, and their community leaders of Kiryat Ekron. We said, how can we help? What can we do? They said bomb shelters. We immediately pledged 4 bomb shelters. Behind me, you see one of them. It's been strategically placed next to bus stops on a major route so that when the red alert, the sirens go off, if you're in this proximity, you can run to this place, go into the bomb shelter, and be protected.
It's like if you go inside, you don't hurt. If you go inside, there's peace. Yes. God bless you all. Thank you very much.
Israel, we always say l'chaim, to life. Israel cares about life. They are being a light in the darkness, and we provide these bomb shelters to save lives. This is Jews and Christians coming together, Bridges for Peace, working with one of our communities to save lives and protect this community and bring shalom and peace of mind to them.